So, hi everyone, and today we're gonna play Stardew Valley. This is the game. Let's start. Let's load the game. I'm choosing this one, and yes. And today I'm gonna introduce you my farm and my house. Still in load. And by the way, this is the mobile version. This is me, and this is my house. Just a simple house. I wanted it simple. So, in here, this is the kitchen. Simple kitchen. And my favorite color, green. And this is just a simple living room. And here, next to it, is the bedroom, which is the bed, just this one. And these are my two children. Okay. And this is my wife's area. My wife is Leah, and she likes art and painting, so this is it. And up here is the hallway, which I turned it into children's playground area rather. And this is the bedroom of my kids. And down the cellar is this is the cellar. This fermenting area. It's my fermenting area. I rearranged this yesterday. This is for the wine. This is for the jar. I mean, yeah, like pickles, veggies. And these are potting area. I'm planning to plant grapes in it. I don't know if it would work. And, and these are my grapes. Grapes, plants rather. And I already created it, but by using a pickaxe and doing like that, and then placing it. So that's the cellar. Now let's go outside. So this is my farm. So when you step outside, there are chests for organizing items. These are recycling, trashes, and this near my house is the stable. So I could easily ride it, ride a horse, and run around everywhere. This area used to be my planting area, but since I have no idea what to put in here, I just put grass. These are for catching fishes and lobsters. And by the way, I just redecorated yesterday. And I have two trees. This is a peach tree. This is an orange tree. So this is my dog's hole. And he runs around free and it's not. This area is for my crafting area. Like for ores, for smelting it in here, and the multipliers, which I got from the museum. And this I got from Grandpa. Now let's try and check inside. Okay, so this is, I don't know what you call this, but I turned it into, this used to be, I know, an area where I put my chest and all, but decided in YouTube and Google, they redecorate it and use stuff like this. So I redesigned it to this. So I designed it as a bar, display foods. I've got a television there, and this is where I put things that I've got from the museum and from friends. I got this from Gus at the saloon. So let's go outside. Let's continue. I haven't got any idea what to display in this. So for now, I just. So these are the flower plants. I plant this so that these bees would create honeys like the flower you plant. So let's just drop off from the horse and let's see. So for example, I've got these tulips and this puppy. I mean, this is a puppy, and and the bees will make it puppy honey. So this is where I put the honey I've collected. I've got only 3 kinds of honeys because I'm starting it. Sold everything to earn money. This is wild honey, tulip honey, puppy honey, and inside here is and my cave is filled with mushrooms. It's time to collect mushrooms. These are mushrooms, and I put things near where I collect things so that's easy for me to. Okay, so this is the seed divider. I don't know, multiplier, I guess. Seed multiplier, I call it seed multiplier. And this here are chests. I like to rearrange stuff, so excuse me. So I put like color. So for example, this pink is for summer. This yellow is for winter. Summer. Spring, summer, winter. There's no fall. And I didn't even notice when I put chest back. So this is a selling bin, which I bought from Robin. Okay, this is my planting area where I plant my seeds. I've got 4 crows, 2 from the museum, 1 crafted, and I bought one. Got better bought it. This is my Junimo house. So Junimos collect plants for you. They harvest. And this is what they've harvested. I hindi ko pa nakuha. I didn't get it from them yet. They just stay there. That's from last spring. Next to my Junimo house is the hot house, the greenhouse, filled with 6 kind of fruits, and these are ancient fruits planted in here. I like ancient fruits more than what do you call that? Other fruit that you plant and replant? Oh, the rare seed. I don't like planting rare seed. You have to pick and replant again. So now let's go to the barn. So this is the barn where my animals live. So it's 7 p.m. and they just got in from their house. This are so here near the farm are the things that crafting, like from when I got wool from the sheep, I make cloth and there put it there and like cheese, mayonnaise, and this is so I've got 2 sheeps, 2 goats. I used to have 2 pigs and 2 cows, but my cows gave birth and my pigs also. And I have an autographer in this one. And also I've got it's evening. 2 ducks, 2 chickens, and 2 rabbits. And since it's evening, by the way, I didn't cut this. It was planning to plant maple trees like that, but I haven't done anything. So that will be all for today. Hope you enjoyed the tour. And by the way, when I walk here, this goes straight to the. Oh, I've got lots of grass there. This goes straight to Marnie's. And now, so that's it. So I'm gonna try to show you. Oh, I can't pass through. I just have to. Okay. So that's it. So this is my tour for the day, and just gonna collect this one. It's night. Still, I'm collecting. Okay. Didn't expect that. So that's all for today, and hope you enjoy um my tour. Oh, the Junimos are still awake. I don't know, but for me, they're awake when the light and the grass is light. So that will be all, and thank you for watching.